We're talking about sales. That's right. We're talking about your sales strategy. Are you ready? Because I know you actually have this core desire to acquire the best staffing clients on the planet. Can I get a high five? I know you do, but it has been a challenge. I know, because that's the biggest question I get, D. How do I get the client? How do I get the client? How do I get the client? I know you want to get the client, but let's talk about the various ways that you can go about getting that client, because you may not know this, but every industry is different. Every niche is different. They all have a different culture, right? And so how you go about having that conversation with those employers are going to be super, super important. And I have a live course coming up. I want you to join in on the course. The information is below. But we're going to dive into peeling those sales strategies apart, creating them, peeling them apart, putting them back together, and helping you to execute them. I look forward to seeing you at the live course.